Siguro sir, 90% of the help came from iPass po. Talagang big thanks kasi po nakapag-enroll ako sa iPass. Aside from the concept are good, the lecturers are also good, the mentors, they give us the perfect techniques, tips, and concept para magamit natin in the future, not only in NCLEX but also in the future. But the guidance of iPass through their coaches really helped me a lot in the success of my NCLEX journey, sir. You know what, I really can't imagine if I don't have the iPass with me during the NCLEX journey, sir. Siguro, ewan ko po kung USRN siguro ako. Kasi nga, I really need guidance before. I really need their help. Ma'am Jess, ang laki ng natulong ni Ma'am Jess talaga sa akin, sir. I can't really thank her enough po. So, because of iPass, na-meet ko po kayo, si Ma'am Jess, lahat-lahat. And you helped me a lot.